In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set your theme in Clipchamp so you can personalize your editing workspace and make it more comfortable for your workflow. Whether you prefer a darker interface for late-night editing or a lighter layout for better visibility during the day, Clipchamp makes it very easy to switch themes in just a few clicks. Customizing your theme might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your editing experience, especially if you spend a lot of time inside the editor. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future Clipchamp tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a brand new project from the home dashboard or open an existing project that you've already been working on. It doesn't matter which one you choose, because the theme settings apply to your overall editor experience, not just one single project. Once your project loads, you'll see the main editing interface with your timeline at the bottom, your media panel on the left, and the preview window on the right. Now that you're inside the editor, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small settings icon. This is where Clipchamp keeps your editor preferences and configuration options. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different options related to your editing environment. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open a more detailed settings panel where you can adjust various preferences for your Clipchamp editor. Inside the settings window, you'll typically see different sections, such as General Settings and other configuration options that control how your editor behaves. Under the General section, you'll find the Theme options. This is where you can choose the visual appearance of your Clipchamp interface. Depending on your current selection, you may see options like Light Theme, Dark Theme, or System Default. To change your theme, simply click on the one you prefer. As soon as you select a theme, the interface will automatically update, and you'll immediately see the difference in background colors, panel tones, and overall contrast. If you prefer a darker workspace that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, select the Dark theme. If you like a brighter interface with lighter backgrounds, choose the Light theme. And if you want Clipchamp to match your computer's operating system settings automatically, select the System option if it's available. This is useful if you frequently switch your device between light and dark modes. After selecting your preferred theme, there's usually no need to manually save because Clipchamp automatically applies and remembers your selection. You can simply close the settings panel and continue editing your project as usual. The theme change will remain active across your projects, so you don't have to repeat this process every time you start a new video. And that's it. That's how you set your theme in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Personalizing your editing workspace can make your workflow smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you edit regularly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.